head? No, she's fucking peeking up. What the fuck do you see? So I caught up to my family and I slapped my brother's ass while he was on his bike. So he's pissed. He's been trying to catch up. No. Goodbye.
Tanto que yo me forcé y todo con su mala fe. Les demostraré que Dios existe. Amén.
Alright guys, so we're back at the beach now. I forgot my GoPro, but these waves are pretty fucking incredible right now. The only thing I have to record is my phone, so I'm ready to risk it all for you guys. And I hope it looks as cool on camera as it does in person. Hi buddy! What's up? You having fun? Give me a high five. Lucas. Hi, come in. These waves are massive! Alright, should we go deeper, guys? I don't fucking know. I'm scared, man. I'm scared to lose the phone, not of the water. Fucking, I just got this phone, man. Oh, dude. Oh, shit. I know, guys. It's pretty fucking rad. I'm gonna take my phone back. This is insane.
Ahora todos dicen que yo soy el malo y antes todos comían de mi mano. Ya no creo, todos son panas falsos.
Happy birthday to you. Woo! Yo, Gabby got 4 in a row right now. It's about to be the game winner. She cups in a row.
One time with Ben's friend, we did
4 in a row.
Ben's like, you got it, that's you.
Oh my God. Envidiándose el mundo entero. Cuando me muera nada me llevo. Todos se viran por dinero. Todos se van cuando está en cero.
So guys, we're getting ready to go jet skiing. Have you done this before?
Yes, I have.
Have you done this before?
Nope.
Have you done
Oh wait, actually I have.
Nah, man, what's going on?
Una casa más de 1 millón. No sé qué hacer con tanto dinero ya. La Lambo y el Rolls Royce ya no sé dónde parquear. Amigos que me amaban ahora me quieren matar. Y la mitad y la enemistad se escriben igual. Y por dinero.
Whatever you do, don't let go.
El que traiciona es el más que dice que es leal. Mi círculo cerrado en nadie yo voy a confiar. Y de los que gritaban fría no es los una fue real. Todos se viran por dinero. Todos se van con mi.
How are we do a quick little spin here? What happened? You getting? All right, you're good. So we just fell in the water. Full sun, boys. Full sun.
Tienes que saber mentir y saber disimular. Yo te quiero comer, nadie se tiene que enterar. Bebé, no te demores, la baby puede llegar.
Me voy a portar mal, tienes que saber mentir y saber disimular. Yo te quiero comer, nadie se tiene que enterar. Bebé, no te demores, la baby puede llegar. Esto no es pa' que te enamores. Quieres perder, no quieres relación de amores. Prende el Bugatti pa' que la calore.
Out here in the boardwalk with my other sister Annette. What's up? Gabby got her bubble tea, so she's happy.
Congratulations!
La nena pide rápido látigo, yo le llegué. Pa' que nadie nos vea, le caemos RD. No somos los que vamos de camino en el jet.
Me voy a portar mal, tienes que saber mentir y saber disimular.
Hey guys, so if you made it this far, thank you so much. It means a lot to me because it means that you guys are actually enjoying the content, and what I'm putting out there, spending all this time editing, isn't going to waste. It does take some time because it's just me. I'm actually getting on the 3rd video right now. But just want to remind you guys, like and subscribe if you want to see more. 3rd part's coming soon. Thanks guys.